question. And as I've worked for many years in the industry, different industry, like manufacturing, services, then IT, ITS, also into R&D kind of organizations. I would say that a student who is preparing for his career and starting with B school, I think he should focus on developing key skills, key competencies. So one of the important competencies is domain knowledge. He got to know what he is doing. For example, if he is specialized in HR or operations or finance, he got to know everything about in that domain. Because they focus on what is the technical knowledge you are aware of. They will check you first. So I would say technical domain competence is the key for a person to invest in during those 2 years. Okay. So second important, I would say competence is why there are 4 competency I would say. So I would say it cash. I would say that cash as the word. K means knowledge. Okay. So knowledge of the subject has to be thorough. Okay. So you're passionate about learning and assimilating and gaining knowledge, lots about your area that you want to specialize. Secondly, attitude. Okay, build up the right attitudes. Okay. Now, sometimes people confuse what attitudes I'm having it. I think looking everything in the right direction is important. Even you have got some say bad attitude, negative attitude. How would I see good things in bad things around us? So it is a kind of opportunity, taking an opportunity in the confusion. Okay, I can tell you Narendra Modi is doing the same thing. I think India is so rich, but some people say only corruption is there, only that is there. No, but he is trying to bring change within the confusion. Okay, within the problems he is seeing the opportunity to grow. So that should someone to invest in building a right culture, attitude while studying. So that is attitude, key competencies must have a kind of a person who is going to want to become a global leader, a global manager. Why I say I no more consider our Pumba B MBA plus student as a local Punekars, or they are going to work in Pune, or they are going to work in Nagpur, or in Mumbai, or in Maharashtra. So your outlook has to be very global. Look at that you would like to be working one day at Russia, or working at South Africa, or at Brazil. So outlook has to be very global. So I would say knowledge, attitude, then skills. Build a strong skills. The key skill today every B school student requires is customer relationship skill. Building relationship with your stakeholders. When I say stakeholder, you would be interacting with the customers. You would be interacting with the colleagues at the workplace. You would be interacting with the top management. You would be interacting with the peers. So how do you influence by your relationship skills? So I would say that is a key competency. Some say it is a communication skill, but strongly it is a relationship competency that you have to work on. Okay, it means a lot for a person to invest in building relationships with the people around him. And the last thing that I have added, the critical domain of a person should be the kind of habits you have in life. Habits make you what you are, your personality. What habits you have, because your habits are built on your character. Okay? If your character is good, your habits are good. So overall I would say these competencies are critical today's changing business scenario, and this critical competencies, skills, knowledge, attitudes and habits are global competencies. And I would invite all the students focus on the next 2 years in these competencies. And when they are ready, I think the companies, you need not run after the companies. Companies will run after you. When you see that you have got a good knowledge, your habits are good, you are highly motivated, you got an attitude good, company will run after, hey, I want him, I like this guy, I like this. Okay, so my focus is in this area.